guys, today we're going to continue our HTML course for how you can create your first website. Well, so in the last video you created all of this code. Not created, right? Yeah. Open this in our website page. We make our first link. We make our first paragraphs and write first text, whatever you want. So the next tag which you will learn is text area, like that. Yeah, press capital S and should save, and let's update our website. Yeah, did you see this thing? You may not see like I think better like that. So it's a whole simple place which you could see in other websites where you can type everything which you want. And the difference between the simple whole places and the simple text places where you can write, text area is place where you have a scroll to. It means that you can make it even bigger, just a second, like that, bigger, or make it smaller, doesn't matter, whatever you want actually. Yeah, actually you will use it for writing the feedbacks on your website, where your visitor will need more place in order to describe his meaning. Yeah, and actually in order to show the visitor that he can type here something, you should to write something on him. And actually we will use tag B. This tag just make your text faster. For example, let's write here write to me, like that. Press Ctrl S. Yeah, let's update our website. Yeah, did you see that? I think you can see the difference. Actually, let's make it bigger a little bit. Yeah, I think you see the difference between this and this. Actually, here we use the tag H1, which is for paragraphs and the first titles. You can use this too, but actually somewhere you can have problems with that, because if you write H1 one ways, you will have in a future place where you couldn't use it again. So here we use the simple text tag, and you can see the difference from that, between that and that. Yeah. Alright, if your visitor write feedback to you, he should some kind of send to you this feedback. Well, the first thing which you will need is to write. We have this kind of things, like button, like that, and write here whatever you want. Actually, I will just write send, because he will send you. Yeah, and in order to describe HTML, that is button which plays some kind of role. We should write here his function, tag form with attribute method, and from these two tags right here tag for your button. Yeah, send, Ctrl S in order to save the new tags in your code. And let's update. I think yep. Did you see that? Did you see this button? under write to me tag, I mean from after that tag write a new tag button. If you will press it, your page will update, because your let's write here, your letter, visitor's letter will send to you. And let's write like subscribe, don't forget, subscribe, right. And let's send it. Let's try send it. Yeah, did you see which this text one-ish? So it works. It works. I don't have an idea, man. For this kind of information, you must to subscribe. You must subscribe, man or woman. Doesn't matter. Yeah.